Lift yourself up on your feet. Let's get it on. Lift yourself up on your feet. Let's get it on.
Hold on, I'm taking a picture.
Oh, I didn't mean to mess up your picture. What's up, guys? We're back, baby. Shark. Where we at?
Hawaii.
Emma, when it hits one, we're gonna explode. 3, 2, 1. Shrimp.
Hey, look at all this truck. Are you feeling this? This reminds us of this.
My dad said that this reminds him of El Salvador.
Yeah.
So we stopped at this place. We're headed to the beach and we stopped on the side of the road. There's like 4 or 5 food trucks. I'm gonna see what this food's all about. My dad wants to take one of these chickens home and eat it. That's your scampi. It's the hot and spicy.
You want your fork?
Dang, Emma.
Oh,
Are you
it's
gonna eat all
already
that?
done.
See you, Mom.
Did you keep driving the time around?
Jurassic Park.
Oh yeah, Velosaurus. Goose.
Como, whatever.
What'd you say? Get Arvin up there.
You should have Snapchat that.
Why does everything look like ours?
Emma, I can't take this camera because of the rain. You know what that means? Switching to GoPro now. Alright, so we switched to the GoPro.
They see me rolling, they hating.
Dang, what do you have to say for yourself, NASCAR?
Catch up.
Switched over to the phone right now, only because I want you guys to feel or hear the beautiful sounds. So enjoy this. We're back from inside, outside.
Why you have to scream like that?
That was a cool hike. We took a hike like Bang Bang, Jesse Jameson.
No.
All right, so we're off to the next thing. I think we're going to the beach.
Yeah!
Emma found some rocks, and I think if you take rocks from Hawaii, it's illegal. You get bad luck. All right, well, let's keep it going. Come on.
I never had shaved ice like this.
Pit stop. Are you filming?
Gotta move on.
He's lit in the car.
What kind of song is that? Emma's song.
Just lit.
Talking about poo?
I blew up my pants.
Oh my goodness.
Wash my hands.
How can you like that song?
Trap, money, penny. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki.
Emma, you're going to the sharks?
Yeah.
Emma, make one of these days, beach days.
Mommy, I want to go. Someone went in there, right, Douglas? They jumped and then
Jump
they got
in the water,
in there.
yeah.
Please.
You gotta wait for the fireworks.
Oh.
Gotta go that way.